Smoking a blunt in the dark when it's after dark. I'm about to spit a dark flow for you church hoes. I'm feeling so evil, man, I can't even sleep. Got me here smoking weed and counting motherfucking sheep, trying to come up with a master plan with no paper in my hand. So I called the green boss, he told me to break some laws. Fuck the Rothschild family, trying to take every goddamn dollar out of me and my family. Fuck your empire of power, you can never take the streets, cause the streets is where green mafia never sleeps. If you're feeling kinda crazy, David, come over and creep real deep. We getting real, but buckle up, take a ride with the green mafia. We gonna pop a body up and throw you in a river. We don't give no fucks, our hearts so cold they fucking shiver. Then we get so fucking high, man, we feel like we floating with ya.
When I wake up in the morning, I smoke a fat fucking blunt. Then I hunt these cunt punk enemies. I'm slanging trees, flipping peas, smoking bees, coming up on cheese. Got so many G's against these secret societies. Our mentalities you can't see. I ain't weak when I speak the truth in the booth. I'll blow up your roof. I got hoes loose on that Grey Goose. We drink until we drunk on the floor. We too hardcore. Rothschilds ain't feeding the poor. I want more people against the evil energy. The Rothschilds worship the devil. I'm a rebel. My level is too high. Outside the sky, outside this earth, my birth was cursed by the worst. I rap for God against the devil's fraud. The 13 satanic Illuminati families are gonna go down underground like the Twin Towers. They had devoured their power. Needs to fall. Fuck them all.
We mafia for life in this motherfucker. Glock. Break out the Glock and the mask and get ready, you pop till you drop.